Hi guys, have you guys tried sausage cheese meat pie? So in this video, that is what we're going to be doing in this video. So if you want to see how we achieve or how I achieve such, then keep watching and don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and also subscribe in the subscribe button. Let's dive into the video immediately. So I cut this dough into two pieces, guys. I keep the other one aside because I want to use one to achieve my meat pie, which is my sausage and cheese, okay, meat pie. So I tried to divide it into pieces, like the number of quantity I want it to be. So when I finish cutting it into the pieces, okay, I fold it, I count it, and as well fold them into the numbers. Then what I did next was I start spraying the flour on the floor, but I covered it though for about 20 minutes. Then when I spray it, I started molding it, like flattening it, right, to turn it into, you know, meat pie, okay, let's say sausage pie. Okay, so when I finish doing that, then I need to start adding my sausage inside. But at this one, this is the first step that I took, or the first step that I did. So I didn't add a lot of sausage inside or dough. So I add a few number of sausage, then I add my cheese on top. Then here, this is the second one. I want to show you guys that you can use your meat pie dumpling to do this. So you just need to flatten the flour then and apply it on top of your dumpling also. Then you go with the same process, which is adding your sausage and your cheese. Then when you finish, you just apply some egg wash on top, okay, so to seal it, because if you don't apply egg wash on top, it can be sealed. So when you raise the dumpling, when you close it and raise it up, it will be misbehaving, right? So I call it misbehaving dough. But if you add some egg wash on top of it, then it will be able to seal and it will not open, no matter how it happens, like no matter how the way the heat hits it, it won't open. So yeah, that's what I just showed you guys here. So the next one, like I said, I add my egg wash, I close it, and it turns out to be great, which is amazing. So the thing I did was to do the same process in all of them, okay. So I did use the same process in all of them. Now I start adding my egg wash on top of all of them, like you guys are just seeing right here. So I started applying my egg wash on top of it. Then when I finish, I make sure that the egg touch all of them the way they should be. Then when I finish, I put it in the air fryer and continue with the second dough, okay. So in this second dough, that is when I was recording and I didn't know that this video, like I didn't know that my memory card has already been full, okay. So I was busy recording, you know, thinking that my camera was recording, but to my greatest surprise, I never know that my memory card was full. So by the time I realized that my video was not recording and I'm already through with the whole videos, and I was like, what? So all this while I didn't know what I was recording. Although in this dough I was doing prosciutto with cheese and some with tomatoes as well, and some sausage. I added all of that inside. So when I was doing it and boom, the other meat pie was ready, then I went and bring it out, and this is how it looks like, guys. And I was happy that it didn't burn. It was good, it was great. And that basically, I hope you guys enjoy watching this video. Don't forget to give us a thumbs up.